have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to be,
Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the vlog. We are back at the beautiful pond today to shoot a little bit of our Movement Monday. So you will see some clips for next week's Movement Monday in here. But I've got some really important stuff to talk about after we hit this quick little workout. So let's get started.
because you don't know who you're going to be.
Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that workout. I've been thinking about a lot of stuff lately, and something my husband said last night, it really hit home, and I think it's something that all of us need to remember. He said, if not now, then never. If you're not going to get up and do what you want to do or be who you want to be today, then you're never going to do it. Sorry, I'm sweating from this workout. You know, if your goal is to get six-pack abs, if your goal is to run a marathon, if your goal is to start a business, if your goal is to learn how to draw, whatever your goal is or whatever that you want to do with your life, you can do it. Whatever's holding you back, stop. Don't let it. It's most of the time just the thoughts in our heads that hold us back. It's really ourselves. It's nobody else. It's not money. It's not time. It's not any of that stuff. You can work around all of this. So the one thing that I challenge you guys to start doing, which I have been doing, just kind of a part of this reason why I'm starting this daily vlog, is do one thing a day, one little thing a day that helps you get towards your goal. Whether that's working out, whether that's starting a vlog, whatever that is, reading a book, taking a class, whatever you've got to do to reach your goal, do one little thing every single day. Those small things add up. It's just like the meal prepping. You know, I meal prep to make sure that my family is prepared for the next day, for the next week. Do one thing a day to make sure that you're bettering yourself. Because if you don't do it, nobody else is going to. I don't know. I was up most of the night last night thinking about this. And I just wanted to share it with you guys. So do that one thing today. Bye.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you